Happy day 3 of Vlogmas. Now, we are being bombarded by the cats this morning. To be understandable because we left them for a week. But both of them want attention, so I was trying to edit today's video and I just kept getting meows for attention. So we're gonna come crochet for a bit and then we'll get back to editing. We still have plenty of time to get it out by that 2 p.m. deadline that I made myself. But I did go ahead and do my nails last night. I will show you when the camera is a little closer because someone here wants to sit in my lap. But since it's right here, we will go ahead and open day 3, and then today is a very jam-packed work day. So let's have some fun while we can. So if this is your first video of Vlogmas joining, this is the Hollow Taco Advent Calendar. So let's see what we have for day 2. Or day 3. I'm already messing up the days. Ooh. That is actually ironic. So this is gold scattered hollow taco, and I literally used a gold flaky hollow topper yesterday. So we were in the right field of pairing stuff together, but that's just funny that I essentially put this on my nails last night. Okay, let's go ahead and close this up, and then since we have a cat in the lap already, hopefully I can reach everything. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, no, the yarn's not for you. So, tomorrow is the day I go work my shift at store A. So, really today is going to be prioritize what I think I need. So, we are going to continue doing pink axolotls like I had pulled the inventory for yesterday. And then a little later today, I will go through my duffel bag of stuff set aside for the store so I can go through my checklist, which this is what we are currently at. Pink is for store A, and if there's an X, that means I've made it, and currently nothing has an X. But I do believe some of the things are already in the duffel bag. We just have to kind of look at it. So we are sold out of pink axolotls, and I know for certain there are not pink axolotls in there. So we're going to go ahead and make those this morning. And I will catch up on other people's vlogs. it's now 1:30, so I went ahead and made 4 of my 5 pink axolotls, and I ate lunch and I edited today's video. So I don't remember if I mentioned it earlier. If I didn't, I meant to, but it is a snowy day. So I did see that Store A did decide to close for the day. So we'll have no sales there. So we'll see if Store B sells anything today, which I'm doubtful of. But I do believe Store A will reopen tomorrow, which is when I work a shift. So we're gonna go ahead and keep trucking along. And for my sticker fiasco that I talked about in yesterday's video, an hour after my shift, one of the managers comes in, so I might just restock after my shift instead of before my shift. That way I can hopefully eat lunch and then be slow enough to be like, hey, please print me some barcodes. But inside this duffel, if you saw my hour-and-a-half video about re-tagging everything, this is what all else I have set aside for Store A that I don't even remember what's in here. So the plan is to dump it in the chair. I'm sitting on the ottoman. And now that that is empty, I went ahead and added the inventory into my iPad of what is currently at the store, which I guess will be the same for tomorrow because nothing's selling if the store is closed. So I color code, so everything written in blue is what's already there, and then usually I do in like yellow, I'll write what's joining the store. And then once I write it all here and move it off, we are going to exit off of our to-do list. If anything aside from the tofu turtles is finished. So this will be fun. Can you see? Do you care about seeing me more or the plushies more? I don't know. Okay. The hard part is going to be, since I just dumped this all in a pile, knowing if I have them all. Alright, let's start with the easy stuff. So, tofu turtles, greens, we have 1, 2, 3. We'll go with 3 for now. Beige, we have 1, 2. And I might not have any pink to give. So that's fun. A little part of like the back of my brain is kind of hoping that the store is closed tomorrow so that I can then tell myself I need to drive Friday if it's safe to and restock, so I can have another working day to restock, but that's not gonna happen. Okay. The problem is that most of these plushies are things that I don't normally stock. Oh, at my store. Okay, I lied. There are 2 pink tofu turtles. Was I just staring right at them? 1 of these octos, which is completely sold out at the moment. I'm sure there'll be more. I believe there's also more in my other bag because I tried to keep separate what was coming from market inventory versus what is new, because if it's market inventory I need to subtract it out of my inventory. Another one of those. Then we have 6 octos in this tourmaline color, which that is a new color for the store, I believe. Leggy frogs at the moment I see 2. There's 3. Okay. leggy frogs. Alright, now I believe everything else. Oh, one random possum. Now I believe everything else is like new stuff to the store. So we have a panda. And if it is variable, I am writing that down as well. We have this big axolotl. So that's good news to know that there is gonna be some more axolotl at the store. This mallard duck. Also variable. I found another pocket octo. This whale. Then we have this whale. One jelly. Oh, and in case you're curious, I did change shirts. I was getting a little too hot. So we have these 3 dragons, which I think I requested a barcode for. I don't know, we'll find out if my barcodes even get printed. I guess I can look at my request. We do have a couple of kitties going to the store, so there are 2 orange, and then 2 of white with sandy tweed. Then we have a couple of sharks going. This fish is going to be a variable. So variable means that I'm probably just giving them one and then not. So it rings in like the sticker says variable, and then you have to type the number in. So I just have to write down the price for it. So I'm also sending them a variable capybara. I do want to eventually find a pattern I really like, but this one I'm not in love with. So got that guy. This color combo I did request a sticker for. And then we just got a handful more things. So this frog is once again variable because I don't care for the pattern. And at this time of year, if I get really low on inventory, essentially whatever I have will sell. So I am expecting those to go eventually. My theory for my not so normally selling item selling is just that people are panic buying last minute, and I'm like, well, here's what they got, let me pick something. This lizard is also going to be a variable. This one I might make more for the store, or like for like markets and stuff, but not for the store. I don't know. We'll see. And then last thing on here is this turtle, which I believe I am requesting a sticker for. So there's those two. And then I am going to quickly go grab that other bag so I can combine bags. This one here I just have a couple of octos, and I am going to mark them with a different color on here. It's just for myself to know that these I made and are not coming out of market inventory. So we have 2 of the Party Pop. And then red, white, and pink. Oh, I marked it on the wrong thing. Red, white, and pink, which I think is called Strawberry Dot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is definitely more inventory than the store needs at the moment. But now we are going to transition into marking off my to-do list of what I already have made. So let me switch the camera around so I can sit in the comfy seat and we'll go over this. So I am intrigued to see how much of this is already done. Oh, and I have a booty turtle over there I need to grab, but it wasn't with the bags. Okay, axolotls, nothing to cross off. Tofu turtles, this is where we have some to cross off. We have 2 beige. And a reminder, if it has an X, that means it's done. If the box is still just color, it needs made. So then green, we have 3. And pink, I have 2 made. Funnily enough, there's more pink than I had boxes, but that doesn't make sense. What was I doing yesterday? So I have 1 pink at the store, so there should be 4 boxes marked. So yeah, we are not ahead of schedule. Would have been nice. Okay. I don't have any pizza turtles made. Chick with frog hat. Nothing to give them. Booty turtles over there. It's not in the bag yet. The stingrays, no. Party Pop, I have 3 to give them. I don't have more of the Wonder Bread leggy frogs. I wanted 3, I have 3. And lastly, Mabel chickens. So, it did mark 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 off of our to-do list, which is better than 0. So I'll show you a close-up now of our to-do list. As a reminder, the blank boxes are just because I messed up when I was drawing. Pink goes to store A, green goes to store B, and an X means it is finished. So we're doing great on time today. It's hard to know what to prioritize though, because I know Chick with Frog Hats would sell so fast, but I also know they need axolotls. Okay. I'm going to keep moving forward on axolotls. Now, initially, I was planning to try to finish off this entire skein on axolotls, but I've already made 4, and this is how much we have left. So later this month, we will finish this skein to add to our 31 skeins in 31 days, but that's not going to be today. So I have one more pink one, and then we'll make a couple of purples, and that's probably all we're gonna get done today. But I'm gonna get back to work on this so that hopefully I can bring them to the store tomorrow. I guess as I'm letting the ball roll, we should check. This book has all my stickers in it. Okay. We have exactly 5 pink axolotl stickers, so if I don't get my barcodes tomorrow, at least the axolotls, 5 of them can go to the store. So I'm gonna keep doing that, and then I'll probably check back in with you at the end of the day to show you what all I finished, and then if anything sold at store B. So we ended day 3 with 0 sales at both stores. A reminder, store A was because they were closed due to the icy roads. Store B just didn't sell anything. So I am ending the day in the middle of working. So I finished all 5 of the pink axolotls, so all of those will go to store A. And then I half made 3 purple axolotls, so they need to be stuffed the rest of the way, sewn shut, and then their spines added. But I don't think I'll have enough time before I need to leave to go work my shift, so I might bring these 3 with me and work on them while I'm there. I think that's going to be the plan. But thank you so much for watching day 3 of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed it, and come with me on day 4 to go work that shift and restock a lot. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!